A&H Consultant welcomes you to this video on NotebookLM, Google's AI-powered research and knowledge assistant. My name is Malik, and I'm with A&H Consultants. Today, we'll explore how this tool can transform your professional research, improve productivity, and help you manage your information effectively. Researchers and professionals often spend 80% of their time simply finding information, leaving only 20% to actually use it. NotebookLM addresses this by grounding its AI capabilities solely in your own documents, eliminating generic hallucinations, and helping you reclaim your valuable time. So what is NotebookLM? It is a specialized research assistant that thinks inside your documents. By uploading your files, you can chat with them to generate instant summaries, get answers to complex questions, and create structured study guides, all while keeping your data private and secure. NotebookLM has evolved significantly since its initial announcement as Project Tailwind at Google I/O in 2023. From its early beta stages to the viral success of its audio overview feature in 2024, it has become a powerful, multimodal enterprise platform that supports advanced research today. The process is simple and follows 4 steps. Upload your sources, let the AI process the content, ask your questions in natural language, and receive cited answers that link directly back to the original text. Your data remains private and is never used to train external models. You can feed NotebookLM from almost anywhere you work. It supports various sources, including PDFs, Google Docs, slides, web URLs, YouTube video transcripts, and even audio files. This flexibility allows you to synthesize disparate information types into one cohesive knowledge hub. The Smart Chat feature lets you have a real conversation with your documents. Whether you need cross-document searches, complex data comparisons, or help in multiple languages, NotebookLM provides grounded insights. You can even pin important answers directly to your notebook to track key findings. With AI summaries, you can transform hours of reading into just minutes of insight. NotebookLM generates automatic notebooks, timelines, executive-ready briefing documents, and even glossaries of terms, effectively cutting down the time required for deep document review significantly. One of the most popular features is the audio overview. This tool turns your documents into an engaging AI podcast, featuring 2 hosts who discuss, debate, and explain your content. It's a fantastic way to digest complex information, especially during your commute or while multitasking. For educators and trainers, the study guide and quiz generation features are invaluable. In moments, you can create practice tests, flashcards, and topic outlines from your material, making it easier for students or staff to verify their comprehension and reinforce their learning. The core differentiator of NotebookLM is its citation-based answers. Every claim made by the AI includes a footnote linking to the exact page or passage, ensuring full traceability. This builds the trust required for legal, compliance, and academic work, where accuracy is non-negotiable. In HR and talent acquisition, NotebookLM proves its worth by helping with resume screening, standardizing job descriptions, and managing internal policy inquiries. It also assists in identifying trends in attrition through exit interview analysis and generating tailored interview questions for specific roles. NotebookLM serves a wide array of professional sectors, from legal and healthcare professionals managing massive literature reviews, to finance analysts synthesizing earnings reports, and engineers reviewing technical specifications. This tool scales across industries to provide rapid, cited synthesis. For companies, the ROI is clear. By reducing research time, cutting down manual synthesis tasks, and ensuring data-driven decision-making, NotebookLM helps mitigate knowledge loss. It democratizes access to deep insights across your organization, allowing even junior staff to work with greater efficiency. To summarize, NotebookLM is exceptional because it offers source-grounded answers, unique audio overviews, and deep integration with Google Workspace, all within a privacy-first design. It's fast, free to use, and a powerful tool for your professional arsenal. Thank you for watching. While NotebookLM is a powerful tool, it's important to be aware of its current limitations. For instance, it doesn't provide real-time internet data, it relies on an active internet connection, and it has set source limits. Always keep these factors in mind when planning your research workflow. When deciding between tools, think about your goal. NotebookLM is best for grounded research using your own documents, offering citations and unique audio features. ChatGPT is more suitable for general creative tasks, coding, and real-time web searches. Often, using both together yields the best results. The future of NotebookLM is bright. With full multimodal analysis, team collaboration features, and native app integrations coming soon, it will continue to evolve into a vital hub for enterprise knowledge management. Staying updated on these advancements will help you maintain a competitive edge. Let's recap the key takeaways. NotebookLM anchors your AI in your own data, provides essential citations for trust, offers unique audio overviews, and is perfect for knowledge workers. Start small by trying it with one of your current projects to see the impact firsthand. Thank you for joining this session on NotebookLM. We hope this video has provided a clear path to enhancing your productivity. You can start exploring right now at notebooklm.google.com. Feel free to reach out to us at anhconsultant1@gmail.com.